Antonio J. Luzorada Rufa B.
Madlonsod Flora P. Nino Patri.
Dandawali Takir.
Distribution of awards. At this juncture, we are at the part where awards to some graduates are conferred by the respective colleges and/or by external entities. From the School of Government and Management, the SGM Dean citations are awarded to SGM graduates whose thesis or dissertation obtained a rating of 1.0. This year, 3 graduates will be given this citation. To do this honor, we call on the officer in charge of the SGM, Professor Emilia Pacoy, to join us on stage. School of Government and Management awards this Dean citation to Rep. E. Eguia for his outstanding research paper in the field of development administration entitled Social Capital and Household Welfare in Barangay Malamba, Marilog District, Davao City. School of Government and Management awards this Dean citation to Maria Luisa B. Paunilian for her meritorious academic performance in all her courses, leading to a degree in Master of Public Administration, major in Fiscal Administration. An award is due to Mr. Aurelio S. Gomez Jr., Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Administration. And our 5th awardee is a Master of Public Administration, major in Organization Studies. Please welcome Ms. Hermely Caluscusan.
In behalf of the Golden Students, I confirm the dedication and commitment of our faculty in development and training of the ESCP students. It is my honor to lead the Golden Student class in the pledge of loyalty to our alma mater. Graduates, please rise and raise your right hand and follow after me. Mapitagan at matapat akong nanunumpa na pangalagaan ko ang karalanan aking natamo. Paglilingkuran ko ang aking bansa ng buong katapatan. Ipagtatanggol ko ang kalayaan at kapakanan ng isang katauhan. Tatanaw ako ng utang na loob. Lagi sa isip ang kagalingan ng mataas mamantasan ng Timog Silangang Pilipinas. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Professor Leonardo Macarayo, an officer of the University of Southeastern Philippines Alumni Association, will induct the graduates to the association.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, Batch 2006 graduates, do hereby accept our membership in the Alumni Association of the University of Southeastern Philippines. We solemnly pledge to uphold the ideals of our alma mater and exercise our future role with high sense of responsibility and professionalism.
The recessional.